I'm Ric Viers of Blastwave FX, and we're really excited to announce the release of the Zombie Apocalypse sound effects library on Halloween of 2012. So, to prepare you for the outbreak, here are some tips on how you can survive the Zombie Apocalypse sound effects library. Rule number 1, cardio. Number 2, double tap. Number 4, wear seatbelts. Oh God! Rule number 17, don't be a hero.
Zombies, are you in here?
Number 18, limber up.
I got my leg stuck in the wall.
Number 25, shoot first. Number 29, the buddy system.
So we keeping a real Richter scale off the Richter scale, right?
I like that.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, my partner, my
now
man.
he's speaking my
Godfather,
language.
right here's.
Number 31, check the back seat.
Sandy cheeks, Sandy.
Number 32, enjoy the little things.
Gotta give it to you, Rick. Sure know how to clean up after a long day of recording.
I've done this before.
Hopefully these tips will help you survive the Zombie Apocalypse sound effects library. Be sure to check out Blastwave FX on Facebook. Until next time, make some noise.
Government officials are calling it the end of the world. May God have mercy on us all.